Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and look what we have here. I made this using nothing but ingredients that were either in my fridge, left over from other cooking episodes, or what was in the old pantry. All right, let me show you how to make this. Okay, now you want to crack out a slow cooker and put it on about medium for the first hour. And we're going to use that marinara sauce that I made for the Italian sausage roll video that I did. Gonna get that all in there. And this is kind of a fun thing to do to challenge yourself a little bit, is because we always have like a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of this left over, a little chicken left over. Seriously, take what you've got in the fridge and try to see if you can make a meal out of it. Now, to be fair, this meal was kind of an across the plate, a fastball across the goddamn plate. But it is fun sometimes. And then I took the remaining Italian sausage links and just sliced them up. And then we're going to add some bacon that I chopped up from the Bacon Tots episode. And like I said, you don't have to do this in a slow cooker. You can just do this in a regular pot. I just decided to go kind of low and slow. Hey, it's the leftover meal. I'm going to be lazy with it. And then just stir that around and leave that on medium for about 45 minutes and then on low for about 90 minutes or on keep warm, depending. All right. Keep in mind, this is something you can put on in the morning and pick up when you get home from work. Oh, and I wouldn't really add any seasoning. Remember, we've already seasoned the sauce once. The meat's going to add some more seasoning, so you don't really need to add much of anything. Just going to add a little bit more bacon here. And then just pop the cover on, and we're off to the races. Okay, with about 40 minutes to go, because you're going to need about 9 minutes to cook the penne. You want to get some penne, put it in some salted boiling water, cook it for 1 minute less than the package directions, and then dump it in our sauce that has been hanging out in the crock pot for, I think it was about 2.5 hours. And then you just want to stir this around until everything is coated. And then I gave this about another half an hour, 20 minutes or so everything can kind of incorporate. Okay, so time has elapsed, and the leftover meal, at least the first one of these, is done. By the way, in the comments, let me know if you would like to see me do more of these. Like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful fun stuff. So that's the leftover meal that turned into sausage penne. Done.